Hello and welcome to this another video. Today I have LE Echoes LE LE Wallis. I bought it from Flipkart. It is the gold color variant. Let's open the box. The first thing is the phone itself. This is the mirror finished fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we got the speaker grills and the USB-C type connector. Let's see what else we have got. That's it guys. See you on the next video.